Tom and the tank engine was huffing and puffing. Suddenly, a lap of this. Of course, I pal, what would you think? Everything right here? No. Let's take it again. Move, move, move. Hours later. Hi, Patsy. Hi, Thomas. Wonderful weather for cooling off, isn't it? Yeah, I love being really useful. You won't get me. Ow. Ah, my pain worked. No! What kind of weird person gives a train a paint work? I don't know. Quiet. Just stop it, please. Hey, the helicopter, you have pilot this. Yeah, I'm not a living steam engine. I can fly. Ah, you won't get me. Yeah, you won't get me. Ha ha. Remember him? Hold me up in the line. Oh! Good job, that first station is safe. You're welcome here. What about that bump? Everyone brought soda with a whistler. Oh, I got some work to do.